Hi guys, I am here with my new video on crochet home decor ideas. Let's start. Proceed can combine the basic stitches in various ways to create interesting stitch patterns. It's possible to create many different colors. For stitch patterns can be lazy. Monochromatic patterns are plain. If you have never watched before, you might be wondering if it's worthwhile past time or if it's something you have the right skills set to get involved with. Does it takes special talent to cross it? The answer to that is no. No special talent is required at all, and you probably have the right skill set as well. Crochet pattern create unique textures, allowing to experiment with color combination, various yarn thickness, and different techniques. Long-lasting and attractive craft home decor items make more decor look more interesting and unusual, adding classy and physical details to modern interior design. Cross-stitching is fun, relaxing, and fairly inexpensive. It yields a gift that is handmade, durable, and very practical. I tend to prefer crochet because it is quicker, especially with the tricks such as two strands of yarn crochet at the same time and use long stitches like the double or triple crochet hosiers is a terrific meditative craft that can provide endless sorts of enjoyment. It can also be so much more than the creative individuals can use their love of hook and yarn to access deeper level of artistic creativity, adding new dimensions of inspiration to their daily lives. Crocheting is a timeless form of creating expression that results in beautiful and often unusual creation. There are so many amazing stories that involving proceeding from sitting with grandma and learning how new stitches to find that coaching is a relaxing and technique as well as bikers crochet and allowing ourselves to be creative. We are taking our mind off from whatever has been troubling us by focusing on the repetitive motion of individual stitches and counting rows. Our mind is able to be more relaxed and free from anxious ideas. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.